Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Nongïalam bertema jongka Qaeda ha Arabian Peninsula Usad bin Atif al-Awlaki ulah hukum yagi Muslim ki basyong basa ha Amerika bagi dia ban sedang dari jihad ban Pynïap yu Presiden ke Amerika Donald Trump bat baro ki badan ha sorkar jong u hak video belasa prang hak X ulah ong bagani kan long kejing penihar keput namar baka Amerika ke Kershan yagi Israel ke video kali bala pelat ba hak sengi ublei ulah hukum omtang yau Trump hendai ki American Muslim ki deiru wan penihar keput yau Vice President J.D. Vance Elon Musk pat ki hek sorkar ulong bakim dei ban up banyak selok ne banyak keren banu hendai lada ki yo ya kalat ki dei ban lek bet yakni omtang yaki hendai ulah hukum ru badai ban Pynïap yaki bahi ngasem jong kiru dak bakeno bag jingle ha Gaza kedai ke balalong syapa palat put al laki udah uleno Amerika babu busket $100 million yaki ba ai jing tiap syapang jong udah uleno ubala le shibun ki kampentriam bad ubala persang ru ban Pynïap yu President Trump dang tahu lo hukum ru bagi Muslim ha Amerika kide ban kruet ru yaki Jew namar bagi la le keput yaki nong Palestine iba menta gila kala klem yeng klem sem bad wat yaki hospital ru i hiart ma klem salia al laki udah ubat kum Nongïalam jongka Qaeda ha Yemen.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.